Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this yummy bakery style Suji cake. Suji or Rava cake is a delicious cake which doesn't use Maida or all-purpose flour or atta. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहते देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन रो लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. I'll be using teacup measure for this cake. So in a blender jar I am taking 4 cups of suji or rava. Grind and make fine powder. Keep it aside. Now in a bowl take 3/4 cup of oil, 1 cup of curd, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 2 cups of sugar. Whisk and mix till the sugar dissolves. Now add 2 cups of milk. Whisk and mix well. Then add the powdered suji. Mix till everything is combined. Cover and rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, suji has soaked up the milk. Now add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda and half cup of milk. Mix well. Now add tutti frutti and mix well. This is completely optional. You can also add chopped dry fruits if you want. Now transfer it to a baking mold lined with parchment paper. Garnish with tutti frutti. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven for 45 to 50 minutes. Our cake is perfectly baked now. Allow it to cool down and then demold it on a plate. Remove butter paper and flip it. So our super soft suji cake is ready now. This soft and spongy suji cake is perfect to have with tea or coffee, and this is completely eggless and uses no maida or atta. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.